welcome to my YouTube. This is Jen. Today I have something a little bit different. Today I have the April Mystery Marker Box by Marker Universe. This is the very first time I've gotten this box. I actually do have an affiliate link, so check down below for their super cool website. They have lots of marker options, and then from what I've seen, about once a month they do a mystery marker box. So keep an eye out for that. You can't sign up for like an auto shipment. You just have to be there when they post. So definitely follow them. I believe I found them on Facebook or Instagram. And just watch and see when they have them available, and then they go pretty fast. But I will post a link below to their website if you want to check them out. So I took it out of the package. It was in bubble wrap. Took it out, got rid of that. And this was in there. So this says Marker Universe is brought to you by Imagination International. Imagination International is who I have the affiliate link with. And then it says, please enjoy this free sample of Better Ultimate Adhesive, betterglue.com. So this actually says it bonds clear and slow, so you have plenty of time to adjust, about 10 minutes, which is super cool, especially if you're doing like dimensional stuff, because you want it to dry fast, but at the same time you want it to be not to dry too fast that you can't move stuff around. So I think 10 minutes is actually pretty cool to be able to do this. It's waterproof. It says you can use it on wood, leather, rubber, metal, iron, plastic, glass, stone, tile, foam, and more. And then the back has, where did I see that? Oh, right here. It also works on cardboard, cork, concrete, stone, cement, tile, leather, wood, metal, iron, rubber, silicone, rubber again, silicone rubber, and more. So from what I can tell, this works on everything except for fabric. And it does work on leather. So it might work on fabric, but might not be machine washable. Anyways, that was pretty cool to have that added. So there's that. This is the box. I have seen it on YouTube. I'm a little concerned about the colors, only because I like every single color except for orange and yellow. And from what I can tell, that might be what's in this box, but absolutely not their fault, just my personal preference. But let's take a look and see if that's actually the case. Okay, first step is a cute little sticker. It says markeruniverse.com. Almost looks like a fancy business card. Then we have a little flyer. It says April's blind box is here. The challenge is to create only what is provided in the box. You can use some or all of the items, but try not to use anything else. And then tag them. Pro tip, swatch and test these water-based products on different papers. So, and then there's a little card. And from what I've seen, they say only use what's in this box, but they don't give paper. So some people decorate the box, or you can use paper. So looks like it's all wrapped up in here. It's like a Christmas present. All right, so not as bad color-wise at all. Not what was on the box. So that's cool. These are peachy colors, not just orange. So I like that. So let me get out a piece of paper. And apparently they are all water-based. So we have a water brush. And I believe I might actually have a Zig water brush laying around. Let me fill this one up since I don't. And this is a Kurtaki water brush, or brush H2O Zig. And they fill up, you gotta squeeze it to get the water to go in. So you just squeeze it while you're dipping it in the water, and it sucks up I usually tip it over, squeeze it again, and then pull up some more. And then that way, of course, if you have a bigger cup, you wouldn't have to do that so much. So there you go, easy peasy to fill those up. Usually no mess. Apologies, the recording of the swatch didn't work, but here is a picture of what I swatched. All of the hellos were covered with water, and you can see that after they dried, it really didn't move at all. And this is watercolor paper, so there's that. Definitely do it when it's still wet, or do what I'll show you here in the next part on top of gesso, or put the marker on plastic, and then you can pick it up with the water brush. There's lots of different options to get that watercolory effect. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let's create.